Welcome to the world of ultimate opulence, where kitchens are not just spaces to cook, but masterpieces of wealth and design. In this video, we're taking you deep inside the heart of billionaire homes, where mineral crystal kitchens shimmer with elegance, rarity, and unimaginable luxury. These aren't your average kitchens, these are spaces sculpted from the Earth's most precious elements. From crystal-infused countertops to translucent quartz islands, every surface gleams with light and sophistication. We begin our journey with a kitchen layered in pure white agate, its veins glowing under soft lighting, creating a dreamlike space where function meets fantasy. Next, explore a dramatic black granite and amethyst blend, polished to perfection and designed for those who love bold statements. Notice the golden fixtures paired with emerald mineral backsplashes, a rare combination found only in ultra-high-end mansions. Each kitchen in this showcase is more than just a room, it's an architectural experience. You'll see kitchens with Himalayan crystal chandeliers suspended over crystal clear islands. You'll witness how custom LED lighting brings out the inner sparkle of rare stones like labradorite, rose quartz, and even translucent onyx. These kitchens are built not just for taste, but to impress, inspire, and leave a lasting impression on anyone lucky enough to stand inside. From New York penthouses to Malibu oceanfront estates, these designs prove that when money is no object, the kitchen becomes a gallery of nature's finest gems. Whether it's smoky quartz panels glowing from within or countertops carved from giant amethyst slabs, the attention to detail in these homes is simply unmatched. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through these breathtaking mineral crystal kitchens, where billionaire taste meets the rarest materials on Earth.